Hey, I'm Marci Bailey with Bailey's Fine Jewelry. We want you to know the diamond industry lingo giving you the upper hand when standing at the engagement ring counter. Check out our definition series to gain a comprehensive understanding of all things diamond. Sliding scale is a term that you will hear us use often in reference to the 4 C's: cut, clarity, color, and carat weight. In terms of buying a diamond within a certain budget, we often say that the 4 C's are a sliding scale. This means that if the cut of the diamond is really important to you, you might have to compromise in the color or clarity departments to achieve an excellent cut. Another example of the sliding scale is if you had your heart set on a certain carat weight, you might have to compromise in the color, clarity, or cut departments to stay within your budget. For example, when you slide 1 C up, you will have to slide 1 or more of the other C's down to stay within your budget. It's all about deciding which of the 4 C's means the most to you during your diamond purchase, and maximizing your budget in those areas while conserving your budget in the areas that maybe aren't as important to you personally. If you have any questions, reach out to us on social media or visit us in stores. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like, comment, and subscribe below.